Alright, you know I have a love affair with the reject shop. I had to restock a few things, so I thought I'd show you what I picked up. I gave myself a budget of about $100, and the reason I did that is because I'm trying to be responsible, but I also got braces in, so we're on a budget and we're not judging the list. Alright, anyway, let's get into it. So, first of all, I saw these Kit Kat chocolate drinks. I'm loving making a beverage at home at the moment. I don't know what is going on, but yeah, I saw these and I was like, oh, they look delish. So speaking of, I also picked up a bag of these smooth and creamy sachets. I normally buy the smooth and creamy blend in the jar. I thought, well, this one's pre-made already, so at least it's a 3-in-1, so one less thing you got to worry about in the morning. Now, it is literally tradition that these are always in my reject shop hauls, but I picked up a couple of packets of the Bin Bright bin stickers. I just stick mine in the top of my rubbish bin and they help keep it like smelling a little bit nicer. Picked up a couple of these like zodiac astrology themed fridge magnets. I actually have a whole heap of the smaller ones, but sometimes the things I'm trying to stick on my fridge, they're just way too big and I'm having to use like 3 of the little mini ones. So I bought these big jumbo ones. The design's cute, so I thought they would suit well on my fridge. A couple of packets of my favorite incense. This is the Nug Chomper. I love that I'm trying to make an effort to pronounce things, but I can't even say like things with the letter S in them. Yes, my favorite incense, so relaxing. I know so many of you bloody love this stuff and I go through it like crazy. I just love it so much. Okay, now stating the obvious, these are obviously not a necessity, but I saw these little mini block kits and I thought they were actually really cute. They had some really cute like animal ones and then they had like kitchen appliances and stuff, but you know, age appropriate for me being 6+, which is always great. These were only $5 each and there's a fair amount of blocks in there, like there's about 170 each. I've got a sushi cart, a hot dog cart, and then this really cute like ice cream cart. I don't know, I just thought they were super cute and it'd be a fun little activity to do. I also thought for $5 each, like that's pretty good value for money. Picked up these little mini containers. I'm actually going to use these for my everyday bag. I like that these ones have the little clip-on lids to stop things from falling out, but what I want to put in them is things like these little interdental picks. Because now that I've got braces, I've got them on the outside down here and on the inside here. I can't use traditional floss anymore, so I want to keep these in these little jars. Then when I'm at work or whatever, I can like really get in there and try and clean it out as much as possible. Plus I have to use this like real special floss that it's just like really time consuming, but if I've got something like really stuck in my teeth, at least I can put like a few, I guess like bundles of that in these things and then I don't have to worry about them getting dirty and whatnot. Now, I don't know what is going on. I think I am actually just like aging really rapidly, but I am frothing a bar of soap. I don't know what it is. I've got like 3 of them on the go at the moment for like whatever mood I'm in, but I just really am enjoying a bar of soap at the moment. Don't know what that says about me, but I picked up these Milk and Honey ones by Palmolive. I've got this cherry and rose one that I really enjoy, and then I've got like imperial leather. We love to have options, but yeah, I really enjoy how clean these make you feel and how good they smell on the body. I grabbed a can of Novak. I love this stuff. I just use a light layer on like my bedding and sometimes my carpet, whatever. It dries really quickly, it's not overwhelming, and it just keeps everything nice and fresh. But I am old school. I'm a pen and paper kind of guy, and I'm always wanting to like write things down. I never have like a pen and paper near me, so I grabbed a couple of these plain notebooks, one to keep in my bag and then one to keep at home, and then I just grabbed some pens to go along with it because I'm always complaining that I never have any pens either at home. I guess these go hand in hand, but I picked up this little Cancerian coaster for when I'm making my coffees at home. But I saw this one, it's a chocolate and mint flavored iced coffee sachet. I don't know, it actually sounds like quite delicious, so yeah, I'm gonna try these, maybe mix it with the other sachets. Yeah, this little Cancer coaster just caught my eye and I thought it was really cute, and it was the last one there, so it was a sign from the universe. Right, just grab some dishwashing liquid. This is the Apple Blossom and Water Lily one by Morning Fresh. It does smell really good. It's fragrant without being like too much. You know how some of the lime or lemon ones can just be like a bit overpowering? This one is absolutely beautiful. I also grabbed these washing machine cleaners from Sard. I usually mix between these ones and the Dettol ones. So last time I got the Dettol ones, now I'm gonna get the Sard ones. Just love shaking it up. I also picked up a replacement of like my favorite hand sanitizer, spray sanitizer I should say. This is by Swiss Care. It's their golden citrus one, and I accidentally left it at work once. The girls were like, oh my god, this stuff is amazing. I'm glad they liked it because I left it there for a reason, because people are just coughing and spluttering all over the place at the moment. But yeah, this one smells absolutely amazing, so if you ever see it, like definitely get it. And then last couple of things, I got this ice cube tray. I love my ice maker at home, but sometimes I want like a really large ice cube. I really liked how big these ones are and how sturdy this tray is, so it makes life a lot easier, especially if I just want my Stanley cup to stay nice and cold. I find the jumbo ones are way better for that. And then lucky last, I just got these little chewable coffee drops. I've never actually seen these before, so I might do a quick little taste test. They smell delicious. That is is what they look like. Okay, this looks like a multivitamin rather than a little coffee tablet. I obviously can't chew these, so I'm just going to dissolve one in my mouth. Okay, tastes a little bit interesting. It's not as sweet as I was expecting, but it's also not bad at the same time. So who knows, maybe it'll give me a buzz, maybe it won't. Okay, now keeping in mind that my budget was $100, altogether that was for $115.85. That is pretty bloody well done in my mind. Remember those little block kits, they were $5 each, so they were definitely what pretty much set me over the edge. So yeah, I think I did bloody amazing. There's some really good stuff in there. I just love how much variety they always have in the reject shop. Like, it is genuinely one of my favorite places, and I know that you guys love it just as much as I do. Let me know what you picked up from there recently. I got to get this AC on because I'm struggling. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm actually feeling like a little bit buzzy from this. So yeah, I better get home. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.